Hey y'all, gonna be working in my fairy journal again today. Continuing on with adding in my pockets and tucks and things. And I have this quote from Adamo prints. And I'm gonna be putting it in this corner and creating a tuck spot. And then I have this image from Tailor Made Journals. This is from her Fairy Garden Kit 1. Really cute picture. There's an owl up here. These little fairies and sprites and some children with a little baby over here. So I'm just going to run a bead of glue across the bottom here and down this side. Most of the time I tend to decorate my journals in stages. I will go through and add pockets and cards, and this I'm just gonna slide right into here. I'll make a journal card out of this and back it or layer it up. I haven't decided yet, but this is gonna stick in here. And then I have, this is a cardstock page on this side. So I will create my journals in stages. I'll put the pockets and things in, and then I'll come back and add lace and embellishments and buttons and things. So these are my first stages. Now I will have to cut this image down a little bit, but what I want to do is use this as a belly band. So I am going to cut this down. I did. I thought this would be really pretty on this page. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put glue down each side. Now I'm going to glue this all the way against this edge and leave a little bit of a gap here, because when I put the other pages into the journal, it's going to cover up this edge. And that looks crooked to me. Okay. So now I can slip something into here once this dries. And I have another quote. And I think I'm gonna make this a top tuck. Now the way I'll do that is I'll run some glue across the top. And the edge that's on the outside of the journal page. Glue this in. And now I can take something and slide it under there. Is that what I want to do, or do I want to? Now if I had glued these three, this side down as well, I could have made a tuck just for something here. Let's see, is it still wet? I may want to do that instead. I do want to do that instead. So there's two options there, but I want to do this instead. Okay, so now I can put a tag or something cute in here. Okay. Let's see. I have time to do one more. I want to use this. So what do I want to... I need to lose one or the other. I like the wave. Ooh. Yes, I like the wave. So I'm going to cut this side off. A little bit. I did. And then I have this quote that says, "Spread your fairy dust." I like that up there. I like this green color. So I'm gonna make a double pocket. The first thing I'm gonna do is just straighten this up. I'm gonna make a double pocket. So I want a little bit of a border. This is textured paper. It's pressed. So I'm going to glue this down as a pocket. But I want to leave a little bit of a border. So I like that green color up against this card. Okay, so I have a pocket here. And I'm going to cut this side off. Okay. Now when I glue this down, I'll run glue here. Across the bottom. In here. Now sometimes on this textured paper, this pressed paper, it takes a little more glue. Looks like this is gonna be a two-part video because I want to keep going. Have a little bit of time in between loads of laundry. Doing laundry today. So now I have a pocket here and a pocket here. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Just a second. Okay. Here's another quote. And here's another image from Tailor Made Journals. Hopefully you guys can see that. I think I'm gonna make another tuck spot here. I yum. Or side pocket. Side loading pocket. Yeah. Okay. So I left it open on this side. So I can put something in there. And then I also want to make this a pocket all the way over on this side. So I'm going to take this page out just to make it easier. Okay. So now I have a pocket here. Okay, so I saved this little offcut from this side, and I also saved this. So I want to use this up. And I'm gonna cut this in half. And then I'm gonna cut this piece down a little bit. Just gonna cut the top and the bottom off of it. Let's see. Let's see if this is enough. Do I have enough? I'm gonna make it a little bit thinner. Haha. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I made it thin enough. Just gonna make a little page embellishment. For this other side. press those pieces together in the middle a little better. And now it looks like it was one piece of paper. And so I'm just gonna do a little trim. If Jen can cut a straight line today. Maybe that's the thing, it's a little, maybe a little wide. Okay. Whoops. Now I'm just gonna glue this whole piece down. Just wanted to use up my scraps. Okay. So, just a little matching embellishment for this side. This will be the next page that I decorate, but I need to go and find some more, choose some more images to use. Thanks for watching, y'all.